So I'm going to my live section to create the stream. So press on stream. It's take some time. And before go live, you have to select your title, description and tag, and anything you can edit from here. You can enable a live chat option also from here, so please check it properly. And then I'm going to my OBS, open OBS Studio, and first interface you can see this kind of interface, and you have to I am selecting the normal one, and then you have to select the YouTube. If you don't have press on show on, then you can see the YouTube option. Then you have to connect your YouTube channel and you need to log in it, but before that I am add my stream key with my OBS streaming, connect it and press on connect. And now I need to log in my YouTube channel actually, so I am log in my YouTube channel. Press on next, and I'm verifying it with the code. Still it's working. Now press on apply setting. It's a recommended OBS setting depend on your Windows PC, so you can select it. Now press on skin, and I am Forex Live. I am creating a skin. You have to create it first, and then you have to select your source. So I want to capture my display. My display is shown here right now. You can customize it, and once all done, you have to press on start streaming to go your live, manage broadcast, and here you can again type your title, description, and you can set a thumbnail here from here also. So I am selecting it all. So when all done, you have to select it's not for kids or it's for kids. And now create broadcast streaming, you have to select it, and you can go live easily from your PC. So it's very easy and simple. So hope video helpful. If video helpful, please do subscribe and press like. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.